All right, LANDTOP sent me this. It is a 3,000 pound quick attach bale spear. So this is in its packaging. It's like I said, rated for 3,000 pounds, and it has a 39-inch spear, and then it's got two 17-inch stabilizing spears. So we'll see. I'm gonna get it out, assemble it, and we'll talk about it and show it to you in use. All right, with these stabilizing bars, there's a groove right here. So you have a bolt sticking in here, and I'm pretty sure, actually, you run it all the way back to the stop, the bolt will drop into this groove. There's nothing to lock it. You might want to put some Loctite on it, but I'm gonna crank it down and we'll see. I got a 9/16, so I imagine it's probably metric, but get it nice and tight. Time to put the 39-inch spear in. You can see the construction over here is pretty heavy duty, pretty thick. I only go up to 1.5 inches on my wrenches. Don't fit this nut, so I'm gonna use a pipe wrench. Sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide this in like so. Washer on the back, nut. Then I'm gonna give it the old pipe wrench. Sorry for not using the correct tool for the job, but it will work. As you can see, mine's a little bent from taking other big hardware off. Ugh. All right, keep an eye on that, make sure it doesn't back off while we're using it. You can see the end of the spear there. So I have a bunch of hay to load. It's got a nice solid tube construction, pretty heavy duty. Nice thing about the quick attach, I already have another one of these, but we have to load about 160 bales on semis, and it'll be nice to have one on the skid steer, one on the tractor, and they also have a lot of other products on their website, all different tractor attachments. It's LANDTOP, LANDTOPautomall.com. They're also on Amazon. I'm sure I'll have a discount code in the description below. All the links will be in the description below. Check them out. They have 3-point attachments. They also have the trailer 3-point hitch with a bale spear, so it's got multiple purposes. You could move a trailer, move a hay bale. So check them out. One really good thing to note about this already, the quick attach fits on the quick attach plate adapter. A lot of attachments that you buy, like the other one that I got from Made in India, it doesn't fit real well. I can't put the levers down with these. This is made, you can see right here, it's made a good tolerance for quick attach. That's one thing, anybody that buys off-brand attachments, you probably had to modify what you got to make it work with your quick attach. This is manufactured correctly. It fits right on as it should. So that's a big deal.